Can we have a side conversation here for a second here? What is up with video calling?
just just kind of all
Like,
sucks.
I see people doing this. I see people doing it. They carry their phone around with them. They got their phone out in
Oh,
front of their face and they're like walking down the street having a video call. Why?
yeah, I don't know. I genuinely have no idea. That's a category of person that I have definitely never been a part of. And I I feel like I've known very few people that were a part of it.
Okay,
So
because I
I
just
don't
like,
know.
for me, it's like I don't, I don't know. I don't know how to talk about my objections to it without maybe sounding like a bit of a jerk or something. So maybe I'll just roll
I
with
just
it.
don't get it personally. Like it feels like it's so much more effort for, especially when you're like walking around randomly. It's like
Yeah.
mildly obnoxious. It sounds like a lot more effort, and for like what actual gain? I don't know. Has
So
that person not seen you?
I don't
I don't.
know. I mean, okay, I can see flipping it on momentarily. Like, for example, the badminton center that I set up with that video gear, they were having trouble with like some cable or something, and I was like, oh well, why don't you just like flip on video? And it's like, oh yeah, yeah, let's do that. And they pointed at the thing, and I was able to walk them through
Definitely,
it.
yeah.
So
Yep.
like, it absolutely has a
I
purpose.
have I have used video calling before to get extremely not tech savvy people to show me their screen so that I can
Yes.
verbally use their mouse for them to install TeamViewer so then I can actually control their computer. It's been very helpful for that.
100%. Jason Roach says, Linus, I video call at the supermarket. The missus is vegan and I need to know what to buy.
Okay,
100%. So when
sure.
you need
Yeah.
to convey something that is much easier with video, that's fine. But why do you need to stare at each other's face while you're talking? I don't understand it. For like for for like a more formal meeting, I don't mind it. But if I'm just talking to friends, my phone's in my pocket and I've got my headphones in so that I can like do other things. Because quite frankly, I'm not going to focus 100% of my attention on you. I, I don't know. I mean, my wife does it from time to time. Vaughn, why do you video call?
With who?
Just anyone?
I don't.
Yeah, you do sometimes. You video call. Like,
Oh, with my sister who's far away,
yeah,
and I don't see them, and I don't see the kids.
yeah.
You want to see them,
Why?
see how much they've grown.
Okay. So okay. A relative with kids. You want to see like how
And
they're
if you
growing up.
haven't seen each
All
other
right.
in a long time,
Yeah.
and you're like really far apart,
Yeah.
it's nice to see
Why?
each other. It makes you feel closer.
Makes you feel closer. Okay. Well, there you go. There it is. She's tried to video call me while I've been traveling for work before, and I'm just like, do we have to? She's like, well,
Do we need to?
well, no, but the kids want to, and I'm like, ugh. See, their generation is just going to be like, well,
Why wouldn't you just
what?
turn the feature on, Dad? It's right there. It doesn't
Yeah,
take any more effort. Yeah,
exactly.
yeah,
It's
yeah.
literally on by default. What's wrong with you?